Si Senator Bato kasi naging emotional na hindi man dapat at pinagmamalaki niya na being a PMAer, meron na siyang sinasabi na ang mga PMAers, na mga kamista niya, are all telling the truth. Excuse me, Senator Bato. Huwag mong sabihin ng PMAer ay totoong magsalita at hindi man loloko. Marami din kayo dyan. Hindi kayo perfect. I can give you a concrete example. When I was then the director of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, yung naglalaro ng STL sa Cagayan na dumating sa punto na almost 1 billion ang hindi binabayaran sa PMRR nila at GMRR. And they are all graduates of PMA. So don't use yourself, or don't use, if you're talking to this General Lazo and whoever, kung sino-sino yung mga general o mga opisyal ng gobyerno na PMA graduates, so huwag mong gagamitin yan. So anyway, Mr. Jonathan Morales, I really pitied him yesterday. As a matter of fact, I cried. Dahil alam ko, mahirap dumepensa ng sarili niya. That everybody is getting his head yesterday. Lahat na lang, tatawagin siya ng kung ano-ano. I was not really happy ng pag-tweet kay whistleblower, this former PDEA agent, Jonathan Morales. Dahil nakikita po na hindi tama naman yung treatment sa kanya. The way he was being interviewed, the way how he was being addressed to, na lahat ng mga nandoon like si Lazo ay Senator Bato is calling them sir. At pinagmamalaki nga dahil they are PMAers, ang mga brad nila kasi ang isinisingit palagi tungkol sa PMA. Then when it comes to Jonathan Morales, Jonathan, wala akong nakitang respect na this person is a resource person, and the chairman should address him in a polite and professional way. Like, yes, Mr. Pidea, former Pidea agent Morales, what can you say about doon sa mga pinagsasabi ni Lazo na siya ay sinungaling, whatever it is. Now, ang advice ko po, a piece of an unsolicited advice coming from a president of the Whistleblowers Association, na lahat po kami ay dumaan sa butas ng karayom before. I want him to stick to the truth. Yun lang. Kahit anong bira sa kanya, na sabihin sa kanya, marami siyang kaso, lahat-lahat. Huwag niyang intindihin yun. Just focus on the paper, on that pre-ops paper na leak sa media, na-leak all over the world na yan, nakikita natin. At yung totoo lang ang dapat ilabas. Kahit anong bully ng kung sino-sino pa.